When couples marry, including customary marriage, they will automatically be married under community of property, unless they sign a separate ante-nuptial contract. This is seen as a way to protect women, especially those who stay at home to raise the family. The term community of property means that the wife is entitled to a share of the joint estate, either on the death of their spouse or when they divorce. But what is important to understand is that this includes community of profit and loss. It is not just your partner's assets which you share, but also the debt. That includes any debt accrued up until the day of the marriage, even if it was a badly managed credit card or a legal judgment. It is also worth noting that community of property goes both ways. Any assets or debt the wife may have accrued prior to the marriage belong equally to the husband. In theory, community of property seems like a fair approach to ensure financial equality. However, in practice, it has serious complications. While credit providers are supposed to obtain the signature and permission of both spouses, they seldom do unless it is a significant asset such as a property. This means a spouse could unwittingly be liable for debt he or she is unaware of. The same applies to debt review. If one partner selects to be placed under debt review, then both partners are effectively placed under debt review. Debt counselors are supposed to get the permission from the spouse, but again, this doesn't always happen. In many cases, the spouses may be separated but not divorced. Even though they're no longer living together, by law they are married, whether through civil law or customary law, and the debt review will apply to both partners. Even under customary marriage, you can sign an ante-nuptial agreement, so all couples should carefully consider the pros and cons of the default to community of property. When you marry, you're merging your finances, the good and the bad. Make sure that you have a contract that protects you both. This is an important time to think with your head and not your heart. If you haven't subscribed yet, do so now. Push that subscribe button so that you don't miss any more brilliant financial tips that are going to get you on track financially.